Hello everyone. This time I'm talking about lawn scarifier and aerator. This is something that I bought in tandem with the core aerator, my previous video, so give that one a watch if you haven't, to try and combat the moss build-up that I get in the lawn. So this was £109.99 at the time of buying this. Not a bad price, to be honest. Slight discount. There are some cheaper ones out there, but I went for reviews on Amazon on this, hoping that it would be better. It also came with two attachments, one for scarifying with the prongs, and then there's one for aerating, which is blades, and that one will actually cut into the ground. It does make a little bit of a mess, so I would definitely keep that in mind. Not something you want to do too often. So yeah, this has four height adjustments to get low if you really want to dig that ground up. I probably would suggest you don't really want to go that low because you will just tear everything up. But as I said, it comes with two attachments, the blades and the springs. The springs are good for cleaning up and giving a light scarifier. Suggest you do that a few times a year, maybe twice. I certainly will, because the amount of stuff it brings up is just crazy. You wouldn't even know it was there, all this thatch, which actually stops the rain, water, nutrients getting down into the soil. So that works well with the hollow tine aerator, supposedly. You can see from some of these pictures here that they are that it is pulling up so much stuff. It's just endless. It will just keep pulling it up and up and up. I like to go by the color. If what's coming up is gray or a brown, basically dead, then you know it's not ripping up the real grass. If you find that it's green, then it's probably bringing up some grass, which is going to be expected, but certainly not something that's recommended. So again, this is uh, something that I'll follow up on with another video. It's definitely done a good job for me. It was an endless amount of stuff. I've now overseeded, and so we'll see if that really brings the lawn back. So yeah, thanks for listening to this short video, and remember to subscribe and like. Thank you.